Everyone, got a 2025 Ford Mustang here, and I wanted to inform you guys on these new GPS trackers that the dealerships are installing in these cars and upcharging on all the cars. Okay, they're pretty much, in my opinion, a not very good buy because most of the trackers are installed very poorly. All right, and they're very easy to disable. If you're somebody that's getting one of these things, or thinks you're buying it for to be able to track your car if it gets stolen, they're very easy to disable. Good example is this Mustang here. This is actually the tracker here, and this is how poorly it is installed. If we just look under the dash real quick, it's just hanging down like this. So this is the box here, and it gets its power from the OBD connector, okay? And this is actually not the original OBD connector. It's actually the tracker's OBD connector, and this is the OEM one. So if we wanted to unplug it and disconnect the power to it, all we need to do is just unplug it like this. And basically, you can take the unit, it's just zip tied in here, and you can take the unit and cut it out real quick. Cut these zip ties. I can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this guy here, and it just falls right out. So I could take this and pretty much just throw it out the window anywhere I want, and you'd be tracking this wherever I threw it, okay? So we get our old OBD connector, and we're just gonna put it back into this bracket right here. Just clips right back in here. And we'll be back to factory. But yeah, again, if you didn't know, that your Ford Mustangs, they're tracked, and this is how they're being tracked, and it's super easy to disable.